How to get 75% off Uber coupon codes. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now here you're gonna find the search box, type in Uber coupon code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to the very first one website option, grab on. This is the genuine website where you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Uber. Once you're on the website, just scroll down and check out the offers. 200 rupees off, $25 off, 50% off and many more. Head towards the offer that you want to grab, just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it, copy it, then head towards the website of it. Once you're on the website, log into your account, book your ride and proceed to checkout. In the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm it right. With that, you're going to get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're going to find amazing offers for Uber. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Lastly, head back. Once you are in this website section, you can also try out this one website, Groupon, as this is also the genuine website where you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Uber. So this way you can easily get up to 75% off working coupon code for Uber. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.